Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Kakashi sketch using an easy method. Let's begin by establishing the basic structure of his head and body. Start with a circle for the cranium and a jawline to define the face shape. Remember to keep your lines light, as these are just guides. Pay close attention to the overall proportions to ensure your Kakashi looks just right from the very beginning. Now let's bring Kakashi's unique features to life. Carefully draw his visible sharing an eye, paying attention to its distinct pattern. Then, sketch the outline of his mask, which covers the lower half of his face. Next, add his signature spiky hair and the details of his Konoha headband. Even though the mask covers much, subtly indicate the nose and mouth underneath for a more complete look. With the details in place, it's time to finalize your lines. Carefully ink over your pencil sketch, making sure to create clean, confident lines. Once the ink is dry, gently erase all the initial pencil guidelines, leaving only your crisp drawing. Finally, add some basic shading to give your Kakashi sketch more depth and dimension, focusing on areas like under the hair and around the mask. To complete your Kakashi sketch, take some time to refine your shadows and highlights. This will make your drawing pop and give it a professional finish. Consider adding a simple background like a leaf village symbol or a subtle texture to enhance the overall composition. And speaking of staying refreshed, the third bullet point mentions a great way to stay hydrated. Make sure to check the description below for a link to that product and other fantastic deals. You've done a great job, and your Kakashi sketch is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.